Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I created a look using the Anastasia Riviera palette. I did create this look last week, and the reason why I didn't upload the video is because you could see on the crease, you do see a darker purple line. That was created once I mixed the purple and the pink. They're both pigments, so sometimes it is harder to use than using normal eyeshadows. It was noticeable in the video, you couldn't tell in person. So I just didn't want the video to go to waste, and that's the reason why I decided to upload. So I really hope you guys find this video helpful or you guys just enjoy watching it. So by this point I already primed my lid and I used MAC Painterly Paint Pot. And now for my transition shade, I'm going with the shade Coastline, and I'm applying that shade with the Morphe M433 brush. Next, with the Morphe M456 brush, I'm applying the shade Bahamas, which is the hot pink shade. And I'm applying this on the crease as well. I'm trying to add definition to the crease since I felt that Coastline was a little bit too light for my skin tone and it didn't really add too much depth in the crease. Then I'll go back with the Morphe M433 brush. It's the same brush I used to apply my transition shade and the shade Coastline. I didn't add any additional eyeshadow. I'm just blending now Bahamas and Coastline together to avoid any harsh edges. I'm going back with the Morphe M456 in the shade Bahamas. I did lose some pigmentation while I was blending out the transition shade, so I decided to add more and pack the color instead of blending it. Next, with the Morphe M506 in the shade Cons, I'm applying this shade on the outer corner of the eye and also blending the shade towards the crease, and that's where I noticed that the deep purple line started to fail on the crease, but it's more noticeable in the video. I promise you, in person I could hardly notice it. Next, for my brow highlight, I used the Morphe M124 brush and I'm packing on the shade Sails, which is a bright white matte shade. Next, with the Morphe M124 brush and the color Mediterranean, I'm applying this on the crease. I did wet this a little bit and I noticed that the eyeshadow just glided evenly and smoothly onto the lid. Next, I'm going back with the Morphe M506 and M124 brush, and I'll be blending the purple matte shade and the purple shimmery shade, and the way I like to blend those two shades together is in a tapping motion. Now for my lower lash line, I'll be applying the same shade that I applied for my transition shade, which is Coastline, and I'm applying it with the Morphe M410 brush, and I'm just smudging this eyeshadow as close as I can to my lower lash line. Next, I'm adding the shade Bahamas with the Morphe M508 brush, and I'm tapping this eyeshadow as close as I can to my lower lash line. And finally, to blend those shades, I'm adding the purple shade with the Morphe M410 brush, and I'm just smudging those eyeshadows all together. I lost the clip where it shows me applying my tear duct highlight, which is the shade Inheritance. It's the gold shimmer shade. I also don't remember what lashes I'm using, and anyways, I don't really like the lashes. I feel that they were lacking drama. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know in the comments what palette you guys would like me to use on my next tutorial. I really do miss filming tutorials. I feel like my channel has just been swatches and I really don't like that. I want to go back to doing swatches and tutorials as well. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.